Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 15 October 2024. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Remember, the content does not represent our opinions and is just a reflection of news items in public media. Elon Musk's tweets have been fact-checked 70 times through Community Notes, a user-generated feature on X, formerly known as Twitter. Despite Musk's emphasis on valuing accurate information, studies indicate a significant portion of his tweets are misleading or false. In July, 50 of his tweets were debunked without receiving community notes, despite being viewed over 1.2 billion times. Most fact checks focus on his technology-related claims rather than political ones. As the US elections approach, concerns about the effectiveness of community notes in addressing Musk's claims are rising. Tim Urban shares his experience of attending a recent SpaceX launch with his daughter, reflecting on his lifelong fascination with space. He contrasts the excitement of the Apollo missions with the more subdued space endeavors of his childhood. Urban discusses the decline in NASA's ambitions post-Cold War and how SpaceX reignited his hope for space travel. On October 13, 2024, SpaceX conducted its fifth test launch of the Starship, designed for Mars missions. Urban describes the emotional experience of watching the launch, emphasizing the pride and hope it inspires. Elon Musk's social media platform, X, blocked links to a dossier on JD Vance after the Trump campaign intervened. The dossier, reportedly from an Iranian hack, contains sensitive information about Trump's vice presidential nominee. Journalist Ken Klippenstein's account was suspended for sharing unredacted personal information. After redacting the sensitive details, his account was reinstated, with Musk advocating for his return based on free speech principles. This incident highlights ongoing tensions between social media companies and political campaigns regarding information control. Joshua Goldberg, a notorious internet troll, reflects on a satirical piece he wrote in 2015 that was shared by Elon Musk on Twitter. The article, intended as troll bait, was designed to provoke outrage among far-right audiences. Despite its obvious trolling nature, the article gained renewed attention after Musk's tweet, highlighting the current climate of misinformation on social media. Goldberg criticizes Musk for sharing the article, implying a disregard for truth in favor of engagement. The incident underscores challenges in navigating a landscape rife with misinformation and trolling. SpaceX has recently achieved a significant milestone with the successful landing of the booster stage of its fifth Starship test flight. The booster rocket, boasting twice the power of the Saturn V, marks a major advancement in rocket technology and reusability. The Starship is designed for deep space missions, including potential trips to Mars. This success underscores SpaceX's leadership in the commercial space industry, pushing the boundaries of rocket technology. The implications extend beyond commercial travel, potentially influencing future scientific missions and exploration initiatives. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more updates on Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.